Hi, this is Mike Freeze for Crockett Elite Realtors, and Chris and I are listing another house today. And I'm going to kind of start in the back and let you see the pond first. We got a big long porch back here. You can sit back here and fish or do whatever you want to do. I'm going to take you inside the house and let you see the inside. Large open area with a fireplace. Love the ceiling in this house. If you can see, I don't know if it'll come out good in the video or not, but I'm just going to kind of pan around here and let you take a look how really big this room is. But you just got a living area and the kitchen area. The spiral staircase goes up to storage. I understand that to the left of the kitchen there, up above, is storage. So, of course, you got big long tile counters. I don't think the island stays. Dishwasher, double oven. Really unique property. We'll walk back this way. Let's take a look at the kitchen a little bit closer. And then that over there to the right is a pantry, and they've got, I think, a freezer and refrigerator and such as that in that little area over there. But you can kind of get an idea how big this room is. I'll just kind of walk back through here. And to the right there is the master bedroom, and I'll take you in there in just a moment. All three bedrooms are on the right side. Of course, you got a good view of the pond outside. Beautiful fireplace. I wish I could remember the name of the restaurant, but restaurant in Dyersburg's got a fireplace similar to this, and the guy that did the restaurant also did this for these folks. Another angle of this room. And first room over here is a bedroom. I'm just going to kind of step in. Got big tall ceilings, concrete floors. This is a 2-bath, and this is just got a lavatory and, of course, walk-in shower. I'm going to kind of come over here where you can see the shower, but it's a tile shower. And as we go back out, the next room is a little girl's room. Bit and let you see what it looks like. Again, we got tall ceilings, same type floor. And we'll step into the master. Nice large master. Patio doors leading out to a patio. I don't know how well you can hear me because they've got a little machine running in here. I'll step back this way so maybe you can see the entire bedroom there. Again, we've got tall ceilings, and we do have ceiling fans. Of course, this concrete floor could be painted whatever color you wanted it. And a master bath. It's got a double vanity and a large shower there in the corner. commode closet. And that pretty much does it for the inside of the house. I'm going to take you out back or out front, whichever the case may be, and show you a little more of the property. Thought I'd show you a little more of the pond there and kind of the back of the house, but the back of the house seems like the front of the house. This is basically it's a metal building that they have finished out on the inside with all home, specs and such as that. Did it really well. A lot of room in this house. This house is located at 186 Bluebird in Friendship, Tennessee. Beautiful home, a lot of room. If you like a lot of privacy, this house sits at the end of a long road. I hope you can hear me because of this water running behind me, but if you can see, you can barely see the main road down there to the end. But this house probably sits off the road 300 feet or so. And I'm just going to kind of pan over here, let you see the end of it so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Again, this is Mike Reese. I'm with Crockett Elite Realtors. My business partner is Chris Miller. For more information on this property, it also, before I say that, but it also has approximately about 4 acres with it. But for more information on this property, give us a call, 731-300-7777. Me or Chris would be happy to show you the property. We have several agents working with our firm, and they would also be glad to show it to you. We have a second location in Henderson, and be sure and check out all of our videos. We do videos on all of our listings, and we post them to my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/amreese2. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.